Alright guys, you can see the sun is setting and the tamales lady is here. Tamales is here and esquites I will try as well, but ooh, look at that. But let me try the tamales first and then I'll get around to trying the esquites. Hola.
Hola, buenas tardes. En otro plato me vas a dar uno tejido y uno de rajas. ¿Quieres? Sí, sí. Quítale ese pedazo, me pague. ¿Tienes salsa que no pique? No, solo traigo esa que está picosita. Pongo
salsa. ¿Qué es esto?
Tamal
colado.
colado.
Colado, tamal colado. Sí.
¿Para llevar?
Yeah.
Así
Sí.
Tiene hoja de chipilín por dentro. Es una hojita. Haz de cuenta una plantita. Y acuyo es chipilín. Acuyo,
Me hablo español un poco.
Un poco.
Yeah.
¿De dónde eres?
Mi jamaiquino.
Estás muy guapo, muchacho.
Jamaica. Sí.
Estás muy guapo. Está muy bonita, muy sonrisa.
¿Pongo salsa?
Gracias.
Hay que saber admirar la belleza, aunque uno esté vieja. Debes admirarlo.
Así es.
No quita que ya estés media roja.
¿Tiene los 15? ¿No tiene cambio?
Smaller? Poco?
¿No tiene cambio?
Alright guys, so I already had a few bites of my tamales already. To tell you what I think about it, it's kind of like you guys know ton cornmeal. It's very similar to ton cornmeal, but not the plain Jane ton cornmeal. I'm talking like ton cornmeal where it has been seasoned very well. So you can taste it's kind of salty, not very salty, but a little bit. The sauce on top of it, I think it's like salsa, I believe, which is good. But I hear that meat is in the middle. Oh yeah, there is meat in the middle. Okay, now it's gonna get interesting. Oh, you can smell that chicken. The insides are my favorite part. Before I wasn't so big on the outer parts because we know in Jamaica people look at ton cornmeal as being poor people food, but this is very good. The chicken, and to be honest, I don't think I can finish eating all of this because it's very heavy. I'm not so sure how much pesos I paid. It was less than 20 pesos. I'll tell you guys after. But it's very heavy. Like this is enough to be a whole meal, to be quite honest. So far, it's been pretty interesting. As I said, I do like the chicken parts. Like the chicken is my most favorite part, but like the rest of it, it's a lot. It's a lot to really fill your stomach. So I see them selling something over there called esquites. It's like a dessert. Funny enough, this girl was walking by with her boyfriend, and she turned around and looked at me and started smiling. I got scared because I'm like, yo, you're there with your mans. So Oscar was telling me that to start off as my first tamales, I should have tried a different one.
Yeah.
A different one. As I said, it's good, but I just ate already too. So like my appetite isn't really, I don't want like corn or anything like that. I'm more interested into the Marquesitas?
Yeah, Marquesitas.
Marquesitas. It's more like a dessert?
Yeah.
Yeah. No?
It's also because it's salty food. Salty and combined with sweet.
Sweet.
It's good. I think it's good. To try is a different thing.
I'm gonna try that. But as I was saying, the tamales taste something like what we have in Jamaica, which is turned cornmeal. The flavor was good. Nothing is wrong with the flavor, but it's very heavy, very filling.
Okay, other thing that he prepares is esquite.
That's what I want to try. Esquite.
But this is food.
It's food.
It's
Another day then.
Yeah,
Tomorrow night I will try esquite.
Yeah.
It's with the corn.
yeah.
Yeah. That's one thing that was on my list.
Typically from here, but I think the lighter thing is Marquesitas.
I'm gonna have the Marquesitas.
Yeah.
I'll be back.
Combinada en queso de Nutella con queso de bola, por favor.
¿Algo más, amiga?
No, es todo.
How much? ¿Cuánto cuesta?
30.
30.
30 pesos. Ya. ¿Sí podemos echarle el grabador?
Hola, me dieron el chase.
Hola. ¿Quién habla? That's all, man.
Awesome. Thank you. Here you go, my friend. Gracias. Gracias. All right, let me try this. It's called a marquesita, yeah?
Marquesitas.
All right, let's try. Yeah.
Better.
It's very good. It's like it's a dessert, kind of, pretty much.
Kind of.
It's like it's almost like, what you call it, like an ice cream cone, a sugar cone, pretty much, with cheese. It's good. And then the Nutella, you can't go wrong with that.
That's a typical cheese. It's a
Swiss cheese?
Yeah, I think. ¿Tú sabes de dónde es el queso de bola? Holland. I don't remember.
Yeah. It's very good. Is the lighting good?
It's pretty dark,
I'm dark? Look this way.
I think.
Oh. Oh, you have a customer?
No.
Oh, better?
Yeah, very
Guys, this marquesita is good. Oh my god. Yep. It's very light and easy to eat. Holland?
Holland cheese.
Never heard. No. I'm trying to think of the type of cheese, but I can't remember the name. But the cheese has it's very savory, not too salty. It's very good. This costs like a little bit over $1. It's awesome, man. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, man.
I'm definitely liking this. I can't quite find something to really to compare it with from the US or from Jamaica, but it's good. It's very good. The crust on the outside is very light, easy to eat, even though it looks so big, it's really easy to eat. The Nutella, you guys know Nutella is a plug. And the cheese, it's awesome. Definitely should try this. Marquesita. You know, I was thinking to myself that this thing would go very well with my friend's business. And this lady behind me, she has a plug. Because look, she just bought that just now. And she just bought the milk thing. I think together they would work so perfectly. Because this is like, it's almost like a sugar cone. And then with the milk, plug. Bro, I love this.
It's good, man.
Marquesita is very good. I was just saying, like, the Marquesita and your drink together, perfect. Perfect. Wow. So like Oscar just perfectly mentioned, it's like a Mexican crepe. If you've ever had a crepe before, crepes are normally a bit softer, I believe, but this one is more crunchy. I'm at my last bite. Nothing wasted. Muy rico. I'm enjoying it. And you can tell, like, a lot of the people, a lot of the kids stopped by to buy that. It was good. But he was saying to me just now, like, just recently they started adding the sweeter element to it. Like, for example, the Nutella and the syrupy sauces that they have, the options they have there. But normally it was just with cheese before. But as you can see, it's getting later at night right now. It's pretty safe out here. The people are pretty cool. People are coming home from work with their kids. And one thing that I did notice is that Mexicans are very family oriented, like super family oriented. Like you see a lot of people with their children, husbands and wives or whatever it is. And yeah, this is the first ambulance I've ever heard since I was in Mexico. In New York, you hear ambulances every day. That's a very strange looking ambulance. It's different from any others that I've seen before.
You return one of these days? And the esquite is a grain.
Yeah, that's the seeds of the corn.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
The kernels of the corn, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we just talking and he's telling me like, he was asking if I'm coming back tomorrow, which I am. Tomorrow is like the second to last day in Cancun until I come back, because I'll be going to La Playa del Carmen. But I was telling him I'm coming back tomorrow to try that guy's
Esquites y elotes.
And elotes?
Elotes esquites.
Elotes, yeah. Elotes is like the whole corn that they put mayonnaise and chile. And I was telling him I made that for Judah and her family at home.
Some lemon salt.
And lemon and salt, see? So I don't even add lemon in mine, but
and that's esquite.
That's the better one, yeah. I'm gonna try it tomorrow for sure.
Yeah, man.
All right, bro, you getting ready to leave?
Yep.
Pleasure, man. I'll see you tomorrow.
Pleasure, man.
All right, cool.
See
Thank you. All right, so as you guys can see, I had a pretty decent evening. You know, talking to a couple Mexicans just now, pretty cool people. And I do that so, you know, I can keep growing as an individual culturally. I think it's very important to keep culturing yourself, and at the same time help other people to know about your culture at the same time. So, you know, it's pretty awesome. Tried some really good food today. I think the coolest thing about YouTube is when you watch, you know, people try these cool foods and you get the chance to try it yourself, you know? It has been a super, I'm overwhelmed. I'm pretty much lost for words right now. I feel like I'm living a dream. Trust me, I'm in Mexico. Alright, so I know you guys are probably very tired of seeing my face. Yeah, it's one of those things, but I think I have one more thing planned for today. Hopefully I get to get it done, which is to go to Mambo tonight. I've been saying this for quite a while, but I did talk to my Airbnb host, and she said she could take me there for 100 pesos. She would take me there for, which is just a little bit over $5. It's like 5 and whatever cents. So that's pretty cool. In Jamaica, to go that distance, you're spending about the same amount of money if you took a cab, so no big deal. But anyway, guys, let me just say, remember these 3 things, as I always like to say: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, guys, please keep the link. I'd like to hear from you. See you soon. Bye.